Welcome back to my course WordPress site migration. In this video we are going to import the database that has been exported from our old hosting account, and we have saved it in a new folder in my desktop. So in order to import it, I have to go to my control panel of the new hosting, and from there I'm going to the database section and PHP my admin section. Now PHP My Admin section will show all the databases already available in my hosting account. But I need to create a new database and a new user in order to import my database. As you can see, there is already a database, but I'm not going to change it and I'm going to create a new one. So I will use my SQL database wizard. Using this option, I'm going to create a new database that's name is avascam underscore, let's say new. I click on the next step and now I have to create the new user. So the username is simply the user and I have to associate a password, and I am associating a simple password, and this password is very weak, so we can use the password generator as well. So I select this password, copy it and use this password and click on the create user option. Now the database has been created, the user has been created. The next step is to assign the privileges to the new created user with this database. So I am assigning all the privileges. I click on this checkbox and simply click on the next step. So I'm going to use Notepad because I have to save something. I have copied the password of the database. It is the password of the database, and I'm going to copy this information as well because I will have to use this information in WP config file. Okay, new database, new user has been created. Now I go to my PHP My Admin section and click on the home button once again and reload the page so that the newly created database might be available here. So the page has been refreshed and now you can see that avascam contains two databases, avascam underscore temp and avascam underscore new. So I'm going to select the newly created database, and from here I have to select the import option and choose the file. So it is the file which I need to import. So I select this file and click on open button and simply click on the go option. And if everything goes well, my exported database would be imported in newly created database. And here you go. This green message shows that 81 queries executed successfully, and it means our database has been successfully imported. Now the last thing we need to do is to configure our WP config file, and after that we will have to change the URL structure in database as well.